I thought it was you. I said, who the hell I know big and nasty? Big Time, is that you? I said, or LC. And then he said, look, you seen that truck a while ago? And then down those hood and all that? Man, what's this for? All right. Oh, okay. He said, is that Frankie? I said, well, it ain't got no hood, front bumpers, or grill, so it might be. LC probably said, take it like that, ho. It's gonna be fast.
It's gonna make it pass, wait. Yeah, call this Chris.
Yeah. Somebody said, damn, $50 just like that.
Mondo.
Go home, Chris.
Mondo, I'm on my way home, cuz. I'm gonna stop by and get a match. Nigga, I done got skipped up, goddamn it.
That fast, man. He got, he heard that. Thought he had something soft.
I said, it's turbo weather.
Yeah. Thought it was turbo weather, y'all.
Got my ass skipped up, goddamn it.
Yeah, we glue our street tires.
Man, his street tires sound like they biting. Damn, Yello Belly hooking, ain't it?
Yeah?
Damn. Yeah. Ooh. Yello Belly biting a little bit tonight, y'all.
Oh my God. Oh man, he's turbo.
Oh shit, he got turbo.
He's turbo.
Fuck, I didn't even notice that.
I didn't even hear spool up. They got that silent turbo.
Oh shit. Oh, I didn't ask.
Zoom in on this. No boost.
Scandal. Let me guess, y'all don't drink hot chocolate, huh? I'm the only one. Uh-oh, here comes someone with a little Camry. Okay. Sound a little healthy. That way. Gets the win because left lane red lighted. Ain't that something? Hey, look out, since you still building a Mustang, get a TKM sticker and NC for a lamb cam to test on the stand. and some prom shit that they venture with Midway. It's good to 1,500 horse. With your game and macking ability, you can make that Mustang kill shit. Nobody can make faster than what they can build. Oh yeah, I ain't never heard of them. Inbox, let me see what's their name. TK, I'ma look into them, man. But you know, I'll be forgot by the time I end this stream because so much be going on. Message me, man. Send me a whisper. I got a little cam you might like to hear. Made by TKM, man, they going real fast. The Lamb Cam. Okay. Don't tell everybody, wait a minute. Oh, that's another person. They might know something. Anyone else buffering, or is it just me? It's just you, right? Okay. Oh, they got a caprice like, man. It's me and you, ooh, baby. It's me and you, just us two. Ooh, baby. Hey, y'all heard Yello Belly trying to hook up, y'all. Y'all been cleaning the track, man? Or you ain't did nothing like you usually do?
What?
It's standing a little stickier today, man.
Prepped it today. We got some more prep today.
Man, quit lying. Y'all ain't did nothing extra. Huh? Did they do something extra? Do you believe they did something extra?